Lois, Bertha, and Elisha are a 3-generation family looking for a new home. Currently, they live together in a suburban neighborhood 50 miles outside a major city. While they love their current home, they're tired of the grueling commute.
We moved here basically because the cost of living as far as buying houses was less than the city. For the first 3 years, the commute was fine, but in the last 2.5 years, the area's grown a lot and the commute has gotten rather hectic.
This family actually likes their current home, and if it weren't for the commute, they'd stay.
What I like about the kitchen is that it's compact, but it's not so small that you don't have moving room. If you're at the stove, you can just turn and now you're right at the sink.
The kitchen is Bertha's domain since she cooks most of the family's meals. And she too likes the way the room is laid out.
I took the second largest bedroom when we first moved here, but then when my mom moved in with us, I wanted her to have that space. But I'm hoping when we move, I'll have a little more space so that I can kind of arrange my stuff, because right now all of my things are just kind of cramped.
Finding a new home that pleases everyone isn't going to be easy.
The next house we buy, we want to have some space. In this neighborhood, because they are tract homes, they're built close together. It's almost like our front doors are right up on each other. Our neighbors' front doors right near our bedroom windows.
But as they look at homes on the market, they begin to realize that it won't be easy finding the perfect house. And after seeing more than a dozen houses already, that's just the kind of confidence this group will need if they're really going to find an ideal house.
This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and as you can see from the neighborhood, it's an excellent neighborhood. Oh, we've got new carpet. It's been painted inside.
Oh, okay. Oh, and I see it has a dining area.
Yes, this is the formal dining room area, your living room area over there. Oh, this is the kitchen.
No dishwasher.
No, it doesn't have a dishwasher.
Oh, we have to have a dishwasher.
You have to have it, okay.
It doesn't take long for Elisha to develop an opinion about this house, so she waits outside while her mother Lois and grandmother Bertha finish looking around.
This is another bedroom here.
Oh, okay, but it's a small bedroom. This one is even smaller than the one I have now.
Small bedrooms and a kitchen without a dishwasher soon lead Lois and Bertha to the same conclusion Elisha has reached. This is not the house for them.
Okay, we'll go on now to the next one.
These 3 ladies all have strong opinions, and they've agreed not to buy a home until they find one that they all like.
I thought I'd show this one to you. Even though it's a 2-story, it's such a nice house.
It's a really nice house and it's beautifully landscaped. But Jeanette, it's a 2-story house. We don't even want to go inside and look. No more 2 stories.
No, I agree. Let's look at some more, preferably single stories.
All right. Okay.
At least they all agree on what they don't want. Another 2-story home with hard-to-climb stairs.
Ah, this is the kitchen. And the living room here. What do you think? Okay.
I don't like the way it's set up. It's not my taste.
And this kitchen needs too much work. I can't get with this.
It just does nothing for me. It's not my taste.
After looking at nearly 50 houses without finding a single one that they all liked, their options are narrowing. So they agree to take a second look at a home they've already seen.
Hey, they painted.
Hey! It's different.
They replaced the
my
carpet.
goodness, look at this. Oh, this really looks nice now.
The current owners have made some significant changes to the house since the family's first visit, and the results have made the house much more appealing.
Yeah, hey, great. Oh, look at the kitchen.
Oh, and I love that picture window. I've always wanted a house with a picture window. I love this.
The new paint, new carpet, and other cosmetic changes added since the family toured the home 8 weeks ago have changed their feelings about the home entirely.
Here's your double oven, Mom.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. I like that.
And the countertop burners.
Oh, that's really nice. I like that as well. New dishwasher?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, a small kitchen, but it has a lot of cabinet space, and I like that.
And look, you have inside laundry room.
Oh, that'll be convenient.
The last time around, the family didn't get past the kitchen before deciding that the home needed too much work. Now that the work has been done, they can't wait to see the rest of the house.
Oh, I think I just found my room.
Hey, let me see. Oh, yeah, this is really nice.
Nice.
Look, it has recessed lighting.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah. And bathroom with the shower. This is mine.
Okay, we can live with that. And your patio entrance leads right out into the courtyard. That's nice.
Even Elisha, who has so far been the hardest to impress, is excited. But hers is only 1 vote out of 3.
Oh, this is a nice size room.
Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice one. Oh, I think this would make a good room for Dia.
Yeah, I think so.
Bertha, who her daughter and granddaughter affectionately call Dear, also finds a bedroom to suit her.
Let's see the rest of the house. Oh, and this is the second bathroom. It's a nice sized bathroom.
It is.
What do you think? Nice?
Yep.
Lois is happy that her mother and her daughter are both pleased with this house so far. But will the third bedroom fit her needs?
This is a nice, yeah, there's lots of closet space, shelves.
It's big enough to accommodate your bed also.
Oh, yeah, that way we can all have a nice sized bedroom.
That's true.
Finally, a house that has something for everyone. A quiet neighborhood for Lois, a private master suite for Elisha, and for Bertha, a backyard perfect for a vegetable garden.
This is like the courtyard area. And the nice part about it is you can get to it from your living room, your master bedroom, and this bedroom as well.
Right. Oh, looks like there might be some space for a garden back here.
Oh, well, yeah, and it's fenced off.
And then it's good because you have the gate, so we can have the dog back here and the garden on the other side.
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
And see, you have a block wall fence there for,
Yeah.
that's all around the house. It's already in.
That's nice, that's nice.
Okay?
All right.
All right, come on, let me take you back inside now. And you can give me your full comments on what you've seen so far, okay? All right, I'm gonna leave you all now to do your final observations and last look around. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask me anything. If I can help you in any way, I will, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I think I could actually like this room. After all the things that I've seen, I think that this could be the one. So hopefully my mom will agree and we can make an offer because I really do like the house and I think it has a lot to offer everyone.
After looking at so many houses, I really think maybe this is going to be the one for us. I'm hoping so. I'm going to talk to them and discuss it with them, and then we'll make a final decision. But I'm kind of thinking maybe this is going to be it.
Even Bertha feels positive about the house, especially the kitchen and the garden area. As the group leaves, it's clear that they all have a positive impression of the house. But they don't want to make a decision too hastily. The family needs some time to think it over.
Now that we've checked out this house, it seems to have something a little bit for everybody. I like that room to myself.
I think it's one that we can all be happy with. The bedrooms, our bedrooms will be separate from yours. It has the other 3 bedrooms that's on one side of the house. We can take one of those bedrooms and turn into a family room.
In the backyard, there's just enough space for the dog to run, and then we can gate the sides off. Do a garden for Dia on the side if she wants.
Yes, ma'am. It's about time I had me a garden.
Well, I think this is the house. This is it.
Actually, I think so too. What do you think, Mom?
Fine with me.
Okay, so
Okay,
what do you say?
All right. I gotta
Let's do this.
Okay, back to the city.
That's
Shorter
for sure.
drive.
That's for sure. Back to the city, baby. Mwah.
Not too soon for me.
Once the offer is made, the only thing left to do is wait for the phone to ring. Fortunately, it doesn't take long.
Hello? Oh, great! Wonderful! Thank you. Oh, yes, I will. Dear, we got the house.
After spending 6 months looking at over 50 homes, these 3 women have found their one perfect house.
All right then. Bye-bye.
And in less time than it took them to find the house, Bertha, Lois, and Elisha have moved back into the city, happy to have left their commute behind.
I definitely don't miss the drive because I was the one that was usually caught up in the heavy traffic. And now it's like when I leave work, I rarely deal with any traffic, so I'm loving that.
Lois also loves being closer to her friends and family now that she's gone from long distance to local. Elisha, too, is happy with the house.
I finally have my own space. My room is on the other side of the house. I like that, with my own bathroom. So I have the opportunity to just relax in my room, enjoy my music or TV, or, if my friends come over, I have my own area away from everybody else and just sit back and relax. It's really nice. So I feel like I live by myself, but I live with my family, so it's cool.
Bertha is delighted with her new kitchen and can't wait until the spring planting season when she can start her backyard garden.
Yeah, I'm happy with the home purchase. I think we made a good choice of what, we saw and what was out there. I think we made the best choice for us.
I think it was a good choice. We made the right decision.